So we have Samuel here. Samuel just completed our Details R Certified Detailer Licensee Private Training Program. Samuel, where are you from?
Louisiana,
Louisiana. What part?
New Orleans.
New Orleans. That's a good area.
Yes, sir.
My man. So what'd you think of the training this weekend? Friday was the business and marketing class. Saturday, the exterior ceramic coating training. Today, interior training and also a headlight restoration. What'd you think?
I thought it was amazing. Just my main thing was coming here and learn every aspect there is of detailing and just grow my business. And this training definitely gave you all the aspects of detailing. The
And you've already been detailing for what? You've
3 years.
3 years.
Yes, sir.
And the name of your business is?
Beyond Fresh Detailing.
Beyond Fresh Detailing, man. So you're going to go back and be a lot fresher.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yep.
So what do you think was your main takeaway from this weekend?
Main takeaway, I'd say, for me was just getting more comfortable with the cutting aspect.
Sure.
When you're using a cutting pad and compound and cutting down the paint, and the business, learning how to advertise and
Marketing
and just
Chat GPT, AI.
Chat GPT, yeah.
My
yeah.
man.
Yep.
You did a great job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You are now Details R and Jade Ceramic Coating certified.
Certified.
Great job, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.